Mithai, even if you didn't tell us anything, we understood. Your husband, before leaving, asked everyone to see that you shouldn't face any problems. Understood?
I think we did get the gift we wanted. Right, Mithai? Am I right?
Oh Lord, what would Mithai say now?
Hey, Mithai, what happened? Why are you not saying anything?
How will she say? She is shy. Even a loving Mithai can feel shy, right?
Mithai, we are really very, very happy.
Shri, Nanda, we need to go home. Brother is returning. He has just texted.
Mom, do you see that man's actions? He should have informed earlier. Hey, Shri, listen. Let's take Mithai with us too. We will get her to reveal everything today. Anyways, it's not here. Come, Mithai. Okay?
Yes, Mithai, go with them. You will feel good.
Hey, Nanda, I have to meet Indra once. You may go home. I won't take long. I'll return soon. But what? Go home. I will come soon. I'm telling you.
Sister Nipa, you will come with us too? Come, let's get ready. Come.
Okay, Mom. When they're going, let's send some dishes with them as well. Come.
I will just keep this away.
Are you going to Brother Indra again to solve the maths problems? Oh, should I drop you there at his house?
No. You can go home. Nanda, Mithai, Nipa, everyone's going. Rajiv is returning as well. I will manage. It won't be a problem.
Yeah, Torsha. All is clear. We need to finish our work as soon as possible. The care I saw for Mithai and Siddharth should not return. And if he returns once, there is a chance that the identity of the person who joined may be revealed. Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. We need to wrap up as quickly as possible.
Hey, why are you still standing? Hey, Nipa, have a seat. As the flat is closed for a few days, we didn't come home at night. Just give me 2 minutes and I will fix it, okay?
Sister Nanda.
Yes?
Why are you so worried? Mithai is here. Mithai will help you with everything. Come, let's make some tea, okay?
Mithai, listen.
Yes.
I will also help you out.
What? You? Why will you help all of a sudden?
Oh man, Mithai, even you are not getting it. Come on, there is no one at Rudra's house. I have to learn everything. And I don't even know how to make a cup of tea. Again, you started right now. You started again. Today, I will have to teach you a lesson. Let your brother-in-law come. Hey, sister, why do you always yell at me? Hey, Mithai, you only tell me, am I wrong?
No. Can Sister Nipa ever be wrong? Actually, you know what? Come here. What I'm saying is, as Police Brother isn't here right now, so you better make the first cup of tea for Police Brother himself. Let it be for now, okay? Come sit here. You sit.
Okay.
Hey, sister, you go to your room and fix it up. Brother-in-law will return right away. I will make some tea, okay?
Okay. Mithai, listen. Brother? Who are you calling? Please tell me.
Your sister, Nanda. She forgets the whole world once she's engrossed in maths. Have you seen the time? How will she return home so late at night? And she won't ask for help. Asking for help would hurt her ego.
Damn. Only if Rudra was so worried for me.
I hope you didn't face any issues coming home alone. I thought that I would be able to wrap up quickly and come home, and then I could have dropped you, but
Oh man, he does worry. Does that mean I think I am right.
Let me try again. What are you looking at? What happened?
No, I'm just saying. Even grandfather gets anxious like this when grandmother is late returning from the ashram.
Even your elder brother-in-law is no less. Looks like you're just like him. He has no peace till wife is home.
Wife! I'm
Hey,
here.
brother is here.
I'm
Wow,
here.
look. Give me that.
Minda, you know what? You missed me the whole day that Rajiv Kumar had just been hiccuping non-stop.
There he is. Why are you so late? When did you board the taxi? And although he doesn't feel the need to call and inform anyone, it's his old lady. Earlier, I used to get calls every 10 minutes. Nandu, what are you doing? Nandu, I just returned to the hotel. And now? Ask him how many times he has called me.
Oh, Nanda, if I do call you, complain. What's there to call so many times? And now you're angry because I didn't call. Mithai and Nipa, why are you so quiet? Say something.
Hey, sister. Is this how you should yell at your husband when he's returning from outside? No, I mean, even Rudra will return in a few days, right?
What? What, Rudra? Oh my. Still not done with that, I see.
No, it didn't.
Hmm.
And it doesn't even seem like it will. Brother-in-law, just listen. Police brother understands
What?
it all.
How?
He's managing it even.
That's a good
No
thing.
tension. You sit peacefully. You have written from so far. Sister, at least offer some water to him. He didn't even return and you started yelling.
My anger is still hidden, Mithai. The things your elder brother-in-law did with Tosha at the party, I have still not exacted revenge for that. I have not even shown my anger for that.
Me? I mean, what? Which dance? Which party are you talking about? Oh, our party. Yeah, I did enjoy a lot there with the dance party. But Nanda, no matter what you say, this Rajiv Kumar is completely innocent. Where is Sritama? She'll tell you the truth. Where is Shri?
She is not here.
No?
She has gone to Indra to solve maths.
Who's Indra?
Brother Indra.
What's that now?
What?
A lot has happened while you were not here. Brother Indra is Shri's college senior.
No, Nanda. This is not the complete info. I'll tell you the details. This Brother Indra, is a specimen. A weird man solves maths the whole day long. And he's just heartbroken on hearing that Shri got married and totally broke down. Those are the pointers that needs to be noted. In fact, Mithai has noticed it too. Mithai, there you are. Mithai, you say how was Brother Indra looking at Shri? Say.
So what? Here,
Thank you.
Brother Ratul. Sister Shri only looks at you. Hey, Sister Nipa, am I right? Sister Nanda, you say you have seen her.
Ratul, I was wondering, are you feeling a bit jealous?
Jealous. And me?
Yeah, you.
Why jealous? Why would I feel jealous? Come on. In fact, I would be happier if Shri has understood this guy's feelings. I would have understood that even Shri is developing the ability to feel and understand love. Otherwise, these siblings are just unique. Although we have been successful in explaining Sid to a level, isn't it, Mithai?
Just look at that now. Why are you dragging Mithai into all of this now? We were talking about Sister Shri.
Absolutely correct. We will talk about Mithai's project later. You know nothing. I will tell you everything later. But even I'm a bit worried about Shri. Brother, isn't Shri picking up the phone?
Hey there, Indra. Does anyone just leave from the front door like that? I'm telling you, no one will mind. Oh my! Rajiv, when did you come?
Just a while back.
Hey, Indra. Indra, he is my brother-in-law, Rajiv. And Rajiv, he is my senior.
I know. Come in, brother, come in. Ratul was talking about you. Nanda, Sri's friend is visiting our house for the first time. Go and arrange some refreshments for him.
Yeah, sure.
Hey, no. I won't eat anything now. It's quite late anyway.
Oh, so you do realize that? I thought you forget everything when you are immersed in maths. You're not aware of anything.
Yeah, I mean, I'm usually not aware of it. I mean, when Sri and I solve maths problems, I have no idea where the time goes, really. Actually, Sri solves the problem so well. Her concepts are so clear and her logic is so good. That's why I love doing joint studies with her. It just feels like a game of chess.
Not at all, Indra. You are the one who solves it. And you teach me as well. You taught me chess as well.
Oh, you're good at chess, Indra? Nice. So listen, I'm not calling you brother anymore. Indra is fine. So do a thing. Why don't you come in the morning? We'll have a fest and enjoy an exciting game as well. Right, Shri? Want it? Your brother Indra at one end and I on the other.
What is Ratul saying? Just see how he's staring at Indra.
Okay, fine. I will come again, okay? But today I will leave. Hey, Sri, I'm leaving today, okay? I'm telling everybody I'm leaving today, but I will come later.
You came to our house for the first time and you leave with an empty stomach.
I mean, actually...
Okay, fine. But do visit again, quite soon. Listen, you can come to our house whenever you want.
Yes.
I'm not just Sri's sister's husband. I'm her husband's elder brother as well. Come, I'll drop you off. Come.
Yes.
If you would have answered my call, I would have come to pick you up. Wouldn't that be better?
I didn't want to trouble you needlessly. Yes, it's surely a bit late, but Indra was there. Why would you need to pick me up?
But the duty was mine, Shri. The responsibility for your safety lies with me, not with your brother Indra.
Shri? Brother had called you so many times, Shri. Why didn't you pick up the call?
I couldn't hear Nanda. My phone was silent.
Sister Shri, listen here. I was saying, you better go to your room. Brother Ratul went there too and he's a bit angry, so please go.
Meaning? How ridiculous. Rajiv, what did I say to upset him?
Hey, Sri, nothing as such. Listen, when you're newly married, it's normal to be angry with or without reason. You go, it'll be all right. Go. Nanda, I'm saying I will now take a bath, freshen up, and then it's just feast and gossip. Hey, Nipa, Mithai, you are
Hmm.
staying, right?
But, brother, I need to go to the factory quite early in the morning tomorrow.
Hey, why are you still standing? Hey, Nipa, have a seat. Just give me 2 minutes and I will fix it, okay? You know, Mithai, I am missing a lot.
What? Miss him? Mithai doesn't miss anyone.
But do you know, I am missing a lot.
Who? Your brother?
No, I'm missing Rudra.
Sister Nipa, please control yourself now, okay? Police brother is no one to you.
It will happen. You know, Mithai,
Mm,
you just see, Mithai. You know, Mithai, Rudra will come and meet me. Just like brother comes and meets you. Do you like it? When brother Siddharth comes and meets you, but do you know, how do you feel?
I have any other option but to be happy. I loved it. I love it. It was your brother who handed this tough task to Mithai. What else can Mithai do? You needlessly came to the factory with Mithai, you know. Mithai could have come alone.
Yeah, Mithai, we know you could have. But you know what? Mr. Bittergourd is abroad right now. And he has left his wife in our care. If something untoward happens in the meanwhile, who will answer him?
Seriously, brother, you too. Like grandfather's grandson would want be answered if something bad happened to Mithai.
Why won't he, Mithai? Don't you know how much Sid cares for you yet? Brother Rajiv, I hope you heard everything from
Yeah,
Nanda.
I heard. So, Mithai, tell me, are you a bit angry because Mr. Siddharth didn't call you? See, he's just gone abroad. We do need to give him some time to settle down. But I did hear that as soon as he reached there, he texted Grandpa to inform him.
Yeah, he texted. One word text. Just one word that he landed. By the way, how can you expect anything more from Mr. Bittergourd? Huh? I mean, both brother and Sid likes to use few words as possible.
No! Brother Ratul, don't think of Sister Shri to be like her brother. Sister Shri is very introverted. But Sister Shri believes in love, relationship and marriage. She really believes in it from her heart.
Well, Sid was forced to accept it too. But
Let all that ifs and buts be on hold. A new man has been employed in the factory. I have employed him on my responsibility. I don't even know him that well. The worker uncles are very angry that. Let me see once how he is.
no, wait, Mithai. 1 second. New man, you don't know him and you get employed him?
Well, yes. Did grandfather know Mithai when he trusted her and took her to the sweet making contest? He didn't. That brother has no job, you know. And Mithai knows very well the things hunger can drive a person to do. That's why I put him to work.
What do you mean? What did hunger drive this person to?
He was trying to steal money from the cash box. But he is not a thief. He used to stay in Ajanoy. As he had heard of grandfather, he came here looking for work. He's a good man, trust me.
Mithai, you trust people quite too easily. We all know that. But you know what? People aren't that simple in today's age. You rather do one thing, analyze the man's documents and ID proof, and quickly verify them in your town, Janai too. Don't delay, you know.
Right, brother Rajiv. Mithai, be careful, okay? I hope you don't get in trouble due to this man. And Sid is not here as well, so please.
But Lord is here. Okay, I will leave now. The ceremony of Lord's birth is almost upon us, where Modak has decided to prepare the special sweets. I had rather call Uncle Sanatan to find out the details, okay? His name is Makhan. Makhan Mandal.
Hey, Ratul.
Hmm?
I was saying, had Siddharth said anything regarding Mithai before leaving? I mean, whether he had accepted Mithai as his wife or not, or had he accepted the marriage, had he said anything?
Why are you asking? Look, Sid isn't the guy who clearly says things. But Nanda was telling me that before leaving, Sid requested everyone not to belittle Mithai needlessly. He had asked the sisters to take care of Mithai as well. What more can I say? But it had struck me as well that Mithai still hasn't said anything about this marriage.
Who knows? But I have this weird feeling. Whatever. Let's head back home. Let's go.
The laptop has almost run out of battery. Where did I keep the charger? I'm sure Tufan Mail kept it somewhere. Hey, Mithai! Find my charger, please! No way, no. What's wrong with you, Sid? You've been here in Singapore for quite some time and yet you think that you are in Manohara. This can't happen.